Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Elsa speak up. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do, you just click here in this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just click here on learn and sound settings. Then you come to this list, you come here to sound effects volume here, then here can you choose or control it here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.